other parts of Lothal. Lothal had a lower town, upper town, a beer factory, a warehouse, and also in the other video we had shown the dockyard. Here in the lower town, artisans mainly lived. They had a proper drainage system and a proper walking path. So guys, this is the upper town, also known as Acropolis. Here the kings, queens, the priests lived here. As you can see, there is a proper drainage system here, and there is a well that's towards the other that side, which they used to take water from. So yeah, people are already. So guys, this is the warehouse from where the dockyard people used to unload the goods and load the goods and take it to the warehouse where they used to store it.